Do your hands shake? Do you feel restless and anxious? Have you lost weight for no reason? Maybe you have an overactive thyroid. There is a solution. Don't worry. Watch this video. I'm Dr. Gia Raymond, a complementary medicine specialist. We want to talk to you about an overactive thyroid. An overactive thyroid has some signs, such as the person becoming easily tired, but unable to sleep despite being tired. That means they are sleeping less. They experience significant weight loss. Their hands shake. They become quickly irritable, they feel overheated, and their body is accompanied by dryness and itching. In some cases, they experience bulging eyes. If you have these symptoms, watch the rest of the video. In hyperthyroidism, unlike hypothyroidism, the body's metabolism increases excessively. That is, the thyroid gland has lost its balance. What can we do to balance the secretion of thyroxine, triiodide, and threonine? Thyroid hormones are named thyroxine, triiod, and thyroin. The primary role of thyroxine and thyroin is to control the metabolic activity of the cell. Their function allows for proper brain growth. They promote urine production. They break down proteins in the body and increase glucose absorption by the blood, leading to better cell performance. We said these two hormones are necessary for all cells in the body to function correctly. All tissues and cells require these two hormones for proper functioning. The first and most important way is for the person to be in control and be calm. We have said many times that lack of calm equals hormonal imbalances and disruption of the body's hormonal balance. The second method is to regulate the body's fluids. A person with hyperthyroidism frequently loses body fluids. Since their metabolism is high, they are burning fat and losing good moisture from their body. Therefore, it is important to use healthy types of nectars, such as peach nectar and fresh fruits of every season. They should drink 6 to 8 glasses of boiled and warm water per day or water without chlorine. Thirdly, according to the principles of Iranian medicine, hyperthyroidism means that bile has overcome the person. Now, we want to balance the bile. You can use our famous syrup, honey vinegar, in the morning and evening. 10 in the morning and 7 in the afternoon. 1 spoon of honey, 1 spoon of natural apple vinegar, and 2 spoons of mint extract in a glass of water. This provides good balance to the body and also lowers the blood concentration. If this is the first time you're watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification so that you can be informed as soon as a new video is posted.